Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally on your laptop. First, navigate to the Tally website using your preferred web browser. Once there, you can sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Tally is a powerful, free form builder that allows you to create almost any type of form, from surveys to job applications, with ease. It's designed to be intuitive, making form creation accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. Now, let's dive into building your first form. From your dashboard, click Create New Form. You can choose to start with a blank canvas or select from dozens of pre-made templates to save time. Tally uses a simple block editor. Just type a / to see all available content blocks, such as text input, multiple choice, or file uploads. Drag and drop these elements onto your form, arranging them to suit your needs. You can also add logic to show or hide fields based on previous answers. Once your form content is complete, it's time to make it visually appealing and share it. Head to the Design tab to customize colors, fonts, and add a cover image or your company logo. This helps maintain brand consistency. When you're ready, go to the Share tab. Here, you can copy a direct link, embed the form directly onto your website, or even generate a QR code. Remember to set up email notifications so you're instantly aware of new responses. Finally, let's look at managing your form responses and leveraging Tally's powerful integrations. All submissions are neatly organized in the Responses section of your form. You can easily view individual entries or export all data to a CSV file for further analysis in a spreadsheet program. Tally seamlessly integrates with hundreds of other applications, including Notion, Google Sheets, and Slack, allowing you to automate workflows and extend its functionality significantly. This makes Tally a versatile tool for many different tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.